In today's video, you will find out more about golden milk, what its benefits are, and how to prepare it in your daily life. Of Indian origin and intense yellow coloration, golden milk has won the affection of everyone that desires a healthier life. Full of nutrients and beneficial properties for our body, it is made from a mixture of milk, animal or vegetable origin, turmeric, and other ingredients, which can vary according to the recipe, such as honey, ginger, cinnamon, coconut oil, ghee, and even black pepper. Each of these ingredients offers benefits for the body, for those who want to lose weight and for those who desire a healthier life. But what makes it so special? Turmeric. The turmeric, or curcuma, as it is also known, is a ginger family spice which has high anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties due to its curcumin content. Turmeric has substances that, according to studies, fight and prevent cancers like intestine, colon, stomach, esophagus, and breast. It is also able to prevent infections, improve blood circulation, and moisturize the body's mucous membranes. Drinking golden milk may help in cases of sinusitis or colds, and to detoxify the body, purify the blood, prevent and combat digestive and menstrual problems, and increase vitality. In addition, if drunk at night, it can help with insomnia, resulting in a peaceful sleep. Other advantages of drinking golden milk are: helps prevent diseases, strengthens the immune system, increases the body's energy level, prevents cardiovascular problems, helps to lower high blood pressure, helps to control blood cholesterol levels, improves digestion, detoxifies the liver, and acts as an anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and natural anti-cancer supplement without contraindications. In order to get these benefits, you must consume 8 grams of curcuma per day, which is about a tablespoon. Are you curious to try this drink? Write down the ingredients. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, powder, 2 tablespoons of boiling water, 2 cups of coconut milk or almond milk. Instructions: in a medium bowl, mix the honey, turmeric, ginger, cardamom, and cinnamon. Mix well. Then add the boiling water and stir to dissolve the honey. Add the milk. Stir and serve it. With a few changes in the ingredients, you can adapt the drink to your personal taste, because all the suggested ingredients are good for your health. But remember, pay attention to the thermogenic ingredients like cinnamon and ginger. They are not recommended for those who have high blood pressure, and many people should not consume them before going to sleep, because they can affect your ability to sleep. But overall, golden milk is safe and well tolerated by the body. It is recommended that your consumption does not exceed 3 times a day. Pregnant women and infants should avoid it, as well as anyone who has gallstones, ulcers, or stomach hyperacidity. If you do decide to include it in your daily routine to lose weight, it is good to keep in mind that it does not work miracles and is more widely used for health issues.